Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our Python interview question series. In this video, we will cover 3 most important interview questions that are frequently asked in internships and placement interviews. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So our first question is, what is a function in Python? A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we write it once inside a function and call it whenever we need it. Functions improve code's readability, reduce duplication, and make programs easier to maintain. They are one of the most important concepts in Python and are widely used in real-world applications. Let's understand this with an example. Here we have created a function named greet that accepts a parameter called name. Inside the function, it prints a greeting message. When we call greet Tanu, the output becomes hello Tanu. This shows how a function executes only when it is called. Now move on to the next question. What is the difference between a list and a tuple? Lists and tuples are both used to store collections of data, but there are some important differences. A list is mutable, which means you can add, remove, or modify its elements after creation. Lists are written using square brackets. A tuple, on the other hand, is immutable, meaning its elements cannot be changed once it's created. Tuples use parentheses and are generally faster than lists because they cannot be modified. Here's a simple example. In the list, we can easily use the append method to add a new value. However, if we try to modify a tuple in the same way, Python there is an error because tuples are immutable. So whenever your data needs to change, use a list. If the data should remain fixed, a tuple is a better choice. Our third question is, what is a namespace in Python? A namespace is a system that stores the relationship between names and objects in a Python program. Its main purpose is to avoid naming conflicts. You can think of it as a dictionary where variable names are mapped to their corresponding values or objects. This allows Python to identify exactly which variable or function you are. Let's understand this with an example. Here we have a variable x outside the function and another variable with the same name inside the function. Although both variables are named x, they belong to different namespaces. The variable outside the function is part of the global namespace, while the one inside the function belongs to the local namespace. This prevents conflicts and keeps the program organized. So today we have covered 3 most important Python interview questions. What is a function, the difference between a list and a tuple, and what is a namespace? Make sure you understand these concepts because they are commonly asked during technical interviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which Python interview question you would like me to explain next. I'll see you in the next part. Thanks for watching.